In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a stunning backdrop and camera for your project, perfect for creating that professional look you've been aiming for. Whether you're gearing up for some exceptional product photography or just want to refine your 3D environment, these steps will ensure you're capturing your scenes in their best light. First things first, let's talk about the backdrop. The goal here is to craft a seamless environment, often referred to as an infinity wall or infinite backdrop. To get started, we'll need to create a mesh plane. You can do this by navigating to your program's interface and pressing Shift+A to bring up the Add menu. Select Mesh and then Plane to introduce a flat surface into your scene. Now, once you have your plane, the magic of achieving that infinite look lies in the extrusion and beveling of its edges. Think of it as extending the edges of your plane until they curve smoothly without any harsh corners, effectively creating an endless feeling surface. If you're curious about how exactly this is done or prefer a visual guide, there's a fantastic YouTube video that explains these techniques in detail. By executing these steps, you'll ensure your backdrop has that professional and polished look. Once the backdrop is ready, let's shift our focus to the camera. Just like before, press Shift+A, and this time we'll select Camera from the list. Now, placing and angling your camera correctly is crucial. It can make a huge difference in how your final image looks. To get your camera set up just right, position your view in the 3D space to where you want the camera to be. Then there's a neat shortcut that comes to our aid, Ctrl+Alt++ numpad. This handy command snaps the camera to your current viewpoint, giving you immediate feedback on the exact shot from that angle. It's a game changer for quickly achieving a composition you love. Lastly, let's delve into the camera settings. Adjusting the camera's focal length is vital for getting the most flattering perspective in your shots. A larger focal length, such as 100mm, can work wonders for reducing distortion. This basically means it helps things look flatter and more proportionate, which is particularly effective in product photography. It's like the portrait mode of focal lengths, ideal for capturing your subject in a way that's both clear and professional. So there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a beautifully crafted backdrop and a precisely positioned camera, ready to capture all your creative ambitions with that extra touch of finesse. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating.